I thought I saw your face today, but I just turned my head away, your face again